Size does matter, but not how you think. Hi, I'm Richard from Cheyenne, and today I would like to talk about the second generation of an all-changing tattoo machine, the Soul Nova. The pen-shaped tattoo machine is an invention by Cheyenne. And the Soul Nova we made so short that it fit in really any hand. And tattoo artists all over the world can tattoo with it comfortably and without fatigue. And now, look here, as comparison, the old Soul Nova. The new one is even smaller, and we believe that this is the smallest tattoo pen in the world. But what's this? Of course, it's the mode switch. Also a smart invention by Cheyenne, with which you can switch between different motor modes, steady and responsive. Isn't that cool? But before I show you what's really awesome with this mode switch, I would like to talk about another feature, the motor. It's a powerhouse, it's a wildcat, it's a monster. This motor is so strong that you feel it immediately when the machine is running and you hold it in your hand, even before the needle punctures the skin for the first time. To tame this powerhouse, we've given the Soul Nova a softer, second responsive mode, in addition to the familiar one. The strip is for steady mode, and the two dots are for responsive mode. The mode switch has two noses and a short way of switching in order to make it easy, even in a covered situation, to change between responsive and steady mode. In order to switch between the soft and the ultra soft responsive mode, you have to turn the mode switch twice from responsive to steady mode, like this. The machine gives you a vibration feedback in order to indicate which responsive mode is set. If it turns on off once, it shows that responsive mode 1 is set, which is the soft one. And when it turns on off twice, it shows that responsive mode 2 is set, which is the ultra soft responsive mode. If you want more information about the steady and the responsive mode, check out the video we made about it, here or below in the description box. The Soul Nova comes in 3 different stroke lengths, in 2.5 mm for delicate shadings, in 4.5 mm for sophisticated lining and color packing, and in 3.5 mm as a good all-rounder and a good balance between lining and shading. All Soul Novas provide a stitch frequency from 25 Hz up to 150 Hz. The Soul Nova is compatible with our disposable grip Ergo 1 inch and Ergo Round, as well as the new Soul Nova grip steel, which are available as accessories. The steel grip adds more weight to the front, which gives you more pressure during tattooing. The Soul Nova comes in this sturdy zipper case, which protects it perfectly and offers you room for cables and other accessories like O-rings. Thanks for watching the video about the Soul Nova. I hope you liked it. If so, push the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more content from Cheyenne, subscribe the channel or click here. And if you have further questions, leave them in the comment box below or shoot an email. Bye bye.